Hi Ed, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna share my secret for speed cleaning your house. This is the routine I use when I'm feeling really overwhelmed, when I have a lot to do, and it's helpful because I have ADHD, so it keeps me focused. My entire routine is just 30 minutes. I'm going to include this printable that has a checklist of everything we're doing today and how much time it should take for each of these things. This isn't about perfection, this is about fast. And you're probably going to be like, you're leaving some dishes that don't fit in the dishwasher. This is okay. It's all about keeping focused and doing a good enough job. So these are your go-to tools when speed cleaning your house. One, you're gonna want something to put all your stuff in. I call this a tidy tote. It's a laundry hamper with straps. I got it from Walmart. It's just something where I can toss things in if it doesn't belong in the space so I can keep focused and keep cleaning. I also have my One Product Wonder, which I use this glass cleaner because it's safe on every surface and I don't need to carry around a lot of different cleaning products. And last but not least, I have my spray mop so I can spot mop in minutes.
First thing you want to do is make the bed. And remember, this is progress, not perfection. So if you have clothes that have to be put away or Christmas gifts on your bed, just put them to the side. We're spending just a few minutes to make the bed. Doesn't have to be perfect. Slap the blankets up there, make it look nice, and give yourself a win. We can deal with this stuff on the floor later. This is about setting the tone for the rest of the clean, and when you're done tonight, having a beautiful bed to crawl into. Now it's all about doing the dishes. Quickly load them into the dishwasher or unload the dishwasher if it's clean and reload it. If everything doesn't fit, that's okay. If you have to hand wash because you don't have a dishwasher, just fill the sink with soapy water and let them soak. Again, it's all about having a small win so you can move on to the next step, which is clearing off the counters. Grab that tidy tote, fill it with things that don't belong, and give your counters a quick wipe down. I let go of perfection. I still have dirty dishes in the sink. That's okay because in under 8 minutes, I transformed my kitchen from a disaster to good enough, and you can too. Let's move on to the bathroom. This, again, all about speed. I'm quickly putting out some fresh towels that I had brought in here, and then I'm doing a spray and walk away technique. That's when I spray the toilet with a cleaner and the shower, and I let it sit. I'll just flush and rinse it later. I'll pick up the dirty clothes off the floor, and a quick wipe of the counters is all you need. You're just getting rid of the gobs of toothpaste or the streaks. This is not a deep clean. We don't have to make the bathroom perfect, just good enough. I want you to set your timer for 10 minutes and do a quick tidy up. 10 minutes, get your whole family involved and pick up anything that doesn't belong, put it away immediately or put it in your tidy tote. When the timer is off, the tidying is done and you're gonna move on to dusting. I really recommend using a Swiffer duster because I'm lazy and it's fast. You don't have to move anything, just go around. As you dust, you can quickly tidy, but get those cobwebs, get the light fixtures, get the dust, get all the things that you normally would neglect. In under 3 minutes, you can dust an entire room. Now grab your spray mop and do a spot mop. I'm picking up crumbs off the floor because who has time to vacuum this time of year? Not me. I always keep the solution and the pad on my mop so I can have it ready in seconds. Getting the spills, getting the dog prints, getting all the little dust and things off the floor, and my house smells like I actually took time to clean it. Joe's gonna go ahead and finish those dishes that were sitting in there because guess what? I am done and I have a little extra time to actually tackle the stuff in the corner. Getting everyone in your family involved can be hard, but I find leading by example is the best way to do this. So just say to yourself, I'm giving this as a gift to myself. I want a clean house. I'm not doing it for them. I'm not picking up after them. And you'll be amazed when you look at cleaning in a more positive light, the rest of your family will see it that way too. And without nagging, magically, they'll start pitching in and helping. I'm going to spend just a few minutes wrapping a couple extra gifts and and getting caught up for the holidays, but I hope that you do this Dirty 30 challenge today too.
Remember when you're speed cleaning your house to have a list. It keeps you focused. It keeps you from going from spot to spot to spot, which is what I used to do. I would clean for 2 hours and then look around and nothing would be done because I'd start a load of laundry and then be like, oh, I need to empty the garbages. And then I would get distracted and start organizing a drawer. My Dirty 30 routine means in 30 minutes, the important stuff is done. You've made your bed, you've tidied, you've done the dishes, and you've cleaned your bathrooms. Everything else, that's just bonus. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked these type of cleaning videos, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday and I will see you soon. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So I do have a confession, a slight confession. I didn't take my ADHD medication today, so while I was filming this video, the dog food was on the counter, so I was cleaning the dog food and I went to put it away and the dog food cabinet was full, so I completely decluttered it and reorganized it while making this video. So I didn't really do the Dirty 30. I tried, but I got distracted. But the dog food cupboard looks so much better. Totally not necessary. I should have just crammed it in there, but I know you guys can probably relate to this, the distraction, especially when it comes to cleaning. Let me know in the comments below if you can relate. I'd love to feel just a little bit more normal. I'll see you guys next time. It's like, you don't have a normal day. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha, you're not gonna be able to.